What's the word, OD Game, man? It's your boy OD Wavy 6 back with another one, man. Listen, this is I'm not gonna say my first week because I cut my hair yesterday. But remember, I'm gonna drop few jewels, you know what I'm saying, for the new subscribers. And if you wanna become a waiver, the main key, to be honest, for everything in general in life, you gotta be consistent. You gotta be committed to yourself. You gotta set one goal only. It's not gonna work just 1 week, 2 weeks, 2 months. It takes time, you know what I'm saying? It takes time for you to progress and for you to get better. The only way that you're gonna get better is practicing. If you don't practice, you're not gonna be near the perfect. Not even perfect, perfection. So if you don't practice, you ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? I've been waiver rated for 3 years. I had started with a 540 and then 360 with a swirl. I'm improvising, I'm testing new waters, you know what I'm saying? I got a 540, I got a 720 right now, you know what I'm saying? I just cut 22 weeks of wolfing, you know what I'm saying? I cut it with a 2.5 because when you cut your hair with a 2.5, you can start wolfing fast. If you cut it with a 2.0, 1.5, it's like you starting from day one. I don't want to start from day one. A lot of waivers, they do it. That's up to them, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to them. It's how you want to do it, you know what I'm saying? Me personally, I don't like that because I feel like I started again from day one again to, you know what I'm saying, 0 weeks, all the way to 8 weeks, all the way to 20 weeks. I ain't with that. So I cut it with a 2.5 because I can start wolfing quick and I can work in my progress and I can perfect my angles. So I'm gonna show you what I have. I'm far from being elite, but I'm in the process to be elite. Because when I was a 360 wave, I was elite. If you don't believe me, check my videos, you know what I'm saying? I had a perfect swirl, spiral, whatever people want to call it. I had one of the best 540 with a slant. You can check my videos. I ain't talking, you know what I'm saying? I ain't talking extra. I got to back it up. And a lot of waivers know that, you know what I'm saying? A lot of waivers already know me. Not the whole world, but a lot of them know me. So I know I got a big hair, pause, but this is what I have. I know I just cut my hair yesterday, so I don't got a lot to show, but I'm still working on it. My first time doing the 720s. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. So this is what I have. So the brushes that I'm using, I got a lot of brushes, as you can see them on the back. But the brushes that I chose to do it for now, I did my homework. You know what I'm saying? I'm a student, I do my homework. So I'm choosing a palm brush. My barber gave me this brush. This is a Diane. I can't even see the numbers no more, but I know it's a Diane. I can't see the numbers at all. It faded. I know it's a Diane, but I got it on in my page. You can get it from there. So I'm gonna do a small section. While I'm talking, I could drop some jewels on you guys, so you guys can, you know what I'm saying? If you want to get 720s, I'm gonna tell you this, man. Please, if you're getting 720s, this is the hardest part. For me, this is the hardest pattern ever. 360 for me was nothing. 540 was nothing. Beehive is nothing. This 720 is crazy. And I try to get it because I challenge myself to get it. You know what I'm saying? So when I challenge myself, I'm like, fuck it, let's go all out. But it's not perfect because I just cut my hair. And just know this tip for my beginners. When you cut your hair, don't wash your hair. I know you're gonna have a lot of hair. You know what I'm saying? Of course, if you just cut it and it's gonna itch, but don't do it. Wait a week later and then do it. You know what I'm saying? Because this week right now, you gotta go in. You training, you new wolfing. Remember this. This is why you gotta wait 1 week. You training the new hair that is coming up. You already cut the old layer. This is the new layer. This is the one that you gotta train. You gotta go in. So when next Friday come, that's when I cut my hair yesterday, you wanna go, I'm gonna go in this whole week onto next Friday. So next Friday, the next Friday on top of that, which is the second Friday, I'm not even gonna cut my hair because I'm still wolfing. I'll probably cut it like in the 4th week. The 4th week is already a month of wolfing. Then you could cut it with a 2.5. You know what I'm saying? And then do another wolfing. The main keys to wolf is to perfect your angles and better your connections and better definitions and get your shit lead up. Any way you stop at, they're gonna be like, yo, homie spinning. He ain't no joke, homie spinning. You know what I'm saying? I get a lot of comments in my where I work out like, yo, how you get your waves like that? This and that. I just brush. You know what I'm saying? I just brush, nothing else. So how I'm brushing is, you know how 720 is, right? So personally, me, I'm learning. You can see my crowns right here, that little bald spot. I'm learning how to use the palm is easier because it's smaller and you can grab it. So you gotta, don't go inside your crown, go around your crown. So you gotta do that. It's like doing donuts. You wanna do donuts. I'm using just the tip of the brush. I'm not using the whole brush. So if you wanna get 720s, man, you know, it's one thing that I missed. I was looking at my hair earlier that I should have done it. You know you could relocate your crown, right? You can. You could create a new crown. It takes a little minute, but you could create it. I was trying to create a crown, my crown, to be in the center right here. I wanted to create a crown there, but I started too late. You know what I'm saying? I still could do it, but it's already, my hands already training to go around my crown, my original crown. Because I got off-center crown, you see? But next time, when I go back to the 360 swirl, I'm gonna create my crown here. I'm gonna create it there. You could do that, remember that. So what I'm doing right now, I'm doing donuts, you know what I'm saying? I'm making that circle around my crown. This is how you get 720s, man. You just gotta create a circle, you know? It sounds crazy, but that's how you do it. So you always want to do a crown section is better before you do your angles. It's better to do a crown section and then you do your 8 angles normal. So I always start with my crown because for me the crown is the hardest place to work on. And then after that, you just work on your regular angles. The reason why for me, I feel like the crown is harder because it's small. You see the differences? Like you brush in here is big, right? You got a lot of space to move around. But when it comes to your crown, it's small. It's hard because you gotta be, it's a small spot. That's why a lot of wavers, they don't work in their crown because I feel like it gets hard and you're like, damn. I see a lot of wavers, they don't work in their crown. You know what I'm saying? If they don't want to do it, it's fine, you know, for each his own. But I learned in this game, like if you want to be a waver, you should have everything lit, like from your crown, from your angles, connections. That's what I'm learning from this game. Only been in this game for 3 years. I made 3 years already, so, and I'm still learning. So you can see, I'm trying to get 720s, but I still got a lot of, you know, to learn, but we getting there, you know. Surely, but secure. You guys let me know in the comments, man, what you think, bro. Let me know. So I cut my hair with a 2.5. You let me know how am I doing. You know, it's my first time with the 720s. Let me know what's up. if I'm doing right, or I need tips, you know, let me know what it is, bro. Trust me, I don't get mad. I don't get mad, bro. I don't get mad. Unless you come sideways on some saucy shit, I reply back, but I'm trying to stay positive, bro. Like, none of that, you know what I'm saying, negativity shit. I ain't with that shit. I came from there. Trying to do positive things, you know what I'm saying? Show love with my brothers and sisters. I ain't with none of that. No violence, none of that shit, tough shit. Just trying to be a wave. Every time that I do a life, it's always somebody that's bored. Yo, you trash. Yo, fix your teeth. Yo, this, yo, that. I don't even pay mine no more. Guess what? I bet you they doing worse than me, but I ain't mad at them. God bless them, you know? So this how you do it, 720s, man. You just gotta go in circle, man. You gotta go in circle. It's kind of annoying, but you gotta do it. You gotta do it, brother. So what I'm doing is just doing that circle. You know what I'm saying? Going in that circle. It's gonna get there because I'm woofing, you know. I'm gonna get there eventually. Just want to show you guys real quick, you know, what I'm working with. I'm gonna get there. Just gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. You gotta make that O. You gotta make that O. Make that O. You use a pawn. A pawn is easier. You could control it easier. You know. The thing too is I'm a median here too, so. Median hairs, we got the advantage, you know what I'm saying? Because our hair is already curly. You know, of course, wavers, they gotta brush more. Us, median hairs, we got the upper hand because our hair is already curly, so we don't have to do a lot. To be honest, I ain't gonna lie, it's true. But hey, it is what it is, you know. Still, I'm trying to be a waver. So now I'm just gonna go with out. I'm brushing the out right now. You see the out, brushing out your crown is, it's not easy, but you can move more freely, you see? Like I can move easier, like I don't gotta be stressing it out. Cause I got more space to brush. But yeah, that's all it is, man. That's all I got. There's much I can say. But, just gotta create a O. You gotta create a O. You gotta create a O. That's it, you gotta keep brushing on it, you know? You gotta stay consistent. Yeah, I know they look trash, but you know, I'm trying. At least I'm trying, feel me? I'll get better, but you know, I'll get crowned. Make sure you always open your crown. You know, every time you're brushing around your crown, make sure you open it. You gotta make sure it's there. That way, because when you open your crown, that's like a guidance. You know what I'm saying? That way you know where you're brushing around. It's like a guidance. So make sure you do that. You know, use the tip of the brush. Don't go inside the crown. You want to stay outside the crown. And I haven't put oil. That was my barber. He put some oil. Gotta make that O. You 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 know. Gotta make that O. That's all about the 720. Creating that O. Gotta make that O. Make sure everything flows around. Make that O. Make that O, make that O. That's it. That's all you need. As soon as you make that O, everything's gonna flow back. That's it. That's what you need, honestly. Make that O. Sounds funny what I'm saying, but it's true. Yep. Make that O. Make that O. Okay, so I said I don't want to make the video too long, but it's just what I got. I'm gonna give you a weight check. That's what I got so far. You guys let me know in the comments, man. It's your boy OD Wavy 6, man. I'm out of here. Peace and love.